Naomi Home presents the Futon Sofa Bed with Armrest. Looking to elevate your living space? Look no further. This futon fuses entertainment, style, and comfort into one multifunctional piece. Whether you're in a cozy home or a chic studio, our futon's modern contemporary design will elevate your space. Need a spot to hold your drinks during movie nights? Our futon has got you covered with 2 built-in cup holders. It's not only functional, but it's also easy to assemble. Transform your space in no time. The Futon Sofa Bed comes in both faux leather and linen, and in a multitude of colors, such as espresso, green, gray, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.